Y'all hear him? Oh, fuck. Yo, it's your boy 100K Zay TV coming at you with another fucking reaction video. You already know I'm fucking bumming, bro. Feel me? Like, subscribe, and like again, nigga. Come on, man. Come on, man. Get me up there, man. But you already know how I'm rocking, man. We finna react to Little Yachty. Little ugly ass nigga. Nigga got motherfucking beads and braids in his hair. But we finna react to this shit. Lil Yachty, bro. That's the same beat that you already know that Tay-K fucking rap to. This Tay-K beat. I ain't even finna say this Lil Yachty beat. This is Tay-K beat, bro. You feel me? I ain't gonna lie. I hope this nigga do better than Slim Jesus, bro. Be real, bro. The nigga Slim Jesus had a couple good bars on this beat. Now, I want Lil Yachty to have more good bars on this motherfucking beat. We gonna get on to it. But like I said, like, subscribe, you feel me? Like again, nigga. And with that being said, man, I'm gonna leave the link to the original video, man. I love all my new subscribers, man. You already know, man. We all a gang. We all a gang. You feel me? Gang way, that way. But now, like I said, man, let's get on to the video, man. You already know how I'm rocking like cut off stocks. Feel me? That is Lil Yachty The Race remix. I don't know why a lot of niggas is making fucking lyrics to this motherfucking beat. But shit, hey, I'ma fuck with it.
It's your boat, put a nigga in a place. Rich as fuck, out the window, free Tay-K. For sure I did, I got less than 10K. So Tay-K, now he who he is today. All that fake gang banging get you slayed. Think you hard, you get robbed for your chains. Niggas snap my chains, that's a man down Mayday.
Ooh.
Ain't a race, bitch, always first place.
Damn.
Not for real, bitch, first place always.
Oh, okay.
Money, Mitch and Lil J. SKT, DDG, that's always. Free Big Rich, they tryna give him more days. Never been shot, and truthfully, I do not want you.
Oh.
If she not fucking boy, respect that she don't want you.
Whoop, whoop.
Say fuck the bitch and keep it moving for it haunt you.
Okay.
Don't fuck with Manny, circle tighter than a band too. Let's get it. Hate these niggas, they fake weird and they fake emo. I'm about my money, give a fuck about your friends on. These niggas tryna click it up and run against me. I had respect, but now it's nothing else against me. Had that truck, but I turned it to a tar heel. She ride dick like a bike, wheelie back wheel. They say don't fuck your homie, bitch, that's a no-no. I took my old homie, bitch, and kicked the door.
Okay.
Nigga mama sorry, yeah, he still broke. But buddy got up in his feelings, so it's fuck, bro. She plus 6, now she ride dick like a Volvo. And snorting way more lines than a barcode. I'm not bucking, but I'm ready with the arsenal. Hit his chest, now his name in the article. It's your boat, put a nigga in a place. Rich as fuck, out the window, free Tay-K. For sure I did, I got less than 10K. So Tay-K, now he who he is today.
Okay. I'm not gonna bullshit. This nigga is a little bit off beat. I'm gonna go keep it 100, bro. This nigga a little bit off beat. Feel me? But shit, what y'all like? I don't think that he did good in this shit. You feel me? Tay-K, he didn't murder the beat. He did good. I ain't gonna lie. Tay-K did good on this beat. You feel me? Lil Yachty, man. Hey, Lil Yachty, whatever the fuck your name is. Hey, I like your music, but this shit was booty cheeks. Oh, that nigga was so fucking ass. That nigga was booty cheeks on that beat. He just fucked it up. The whole beat. Why? Just why did he fuck up the whole fucking beat? So ass. But like I said, like, subscribe, and comment again. That's your boy 100K Zay TV. And I'm out, man. The money way. Money way. Money way. Gang!